information provided by JTWC wind speeds and categorizations may differ from those reported by local meteorological agencies. Lincoln is located 489 kilometers north-northeast of Lurmouth, Australia, and has moved west-southwestward at 22 kilometers per hour, 12 knots, over the past 6 hours. Lincoln has continued on its west-southwestward track around the subtropical ridge to the southeast. Lincoln is forecasted to begin to turn southward at 12 hours as the subtropical ridge changes orientation to a more north-south axis. In around 24 hours, -36, the system will move west of Lurmouth as it rounds the southwestern edge of the subtropical ridge. In 2 days, Lincoln is forecasted to start a southeastward turn, make landfall 463 kilometers south of Lurmouth, and dissipate in 3 days over southwestern Australia. Lincoln is currently experiencing very low deep layer wind shear and warm sea surface temperatures, which has helped organize the system over the past 6 to 12 hours. Peak intensity is forecasted to occur in around 24 hours with an intensity of 85 kilometers per hour, 45 knots. Weak divergence aloft and moderate mid-level shear have remained the main factor in hindering further intensification. In 2 days, wind shear increasing to near 55 kilometers per hour, 30 knots, cooling sea surface temperatures, and lowering of relative humidity due to land interaction will begin to rapidly weaken the system. Model guidance continues to be in good agreement with a cross-track spread at 111 kilometers at 36 hours and a 130 kilometers cross-track spread at 2 days. After 2 days, the guidance continues to be in much less agreement with a cross-track spread of 259 kilometers at 3 days. The intensity guidance somewhat mixed, with the shifts, both NORDGEM and GFS, depicting a near rapid pace of intensification, up to a peak of 110 kilometers per hour, 60 knots, in 36 hours, while the mesoscale models including CARB-TC, HWRF and HEFSA show a slower pace of intensification and lower peak between 75, -85 kilometers per hour, 40 to 45 knots. The JTWC forecast is on the higher end of the guidance but well below the aggressive ship's guidance, with medium confidence. Maximum significant wave height is 4.6 meters, 50